Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your order history on Amazon. So you want to head over to Amazon, sign into your account, and here in the upper right, you will find your name and it will say account list. Now, once you hover over that, you will see under account orders. Click on that. Now, under this section is where you're going to find your order history. So right here, you can see that it selects orders, and by default, it is set to the past 3 months, right? So you can just click the drop down there and you can change it to 3 months, 30 days, or even for the entire year. And yeah, go ahead and select this, and you will be able to see your orders populate to see the different orders that you've made in that period of time. Now, you also have buy again, you also have options on for subscribe and save. You also have orders that has not been shipped. So if you go ahead and you let me go back, you will also find orders that not yet shipped. So you can see those as well. And you also have digital orders and Amazon Pay stuff. So each of them, whichever one you want to see your order history for, you can go ahead and just change those place time or the time frame so that you can see those order lists. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and see your order history on Amazon. Very easy and very simple.